Sandra, and today I'm going to do my June giveaway. I know I've been dragging my feet on this and I keep apologizing, but it is what it is. The garden needs tending, and that's where I'm at most of the time, other than work, of course. So let's get started on what I'm going to give away for June. So you've heard of Christmas in July. Well, this is Halloween in June. Because we want to give Christmas, it's Christmas in July. So we're giving Halloween June, okay? That's pursuant to nail Stampology. So in my giveaway, if you've never entered my giveaway, this month you have to have enter me in the comment section no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 26th. And you must be a subscriber. And then what happens is that is a Friday. Sometime after Friday, I will pick a winner. And then I will, as soon as that winner contacts me, then I will mail their stuff out. So it's just that simple. But this month, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have kind of the Halloween theme. And you might have noticed my nails. And the actual plate that I'm going to give away this month is this plate, and this is one from Black Cat, and I think it is so adorable. And I'm getting it out here, and here it is, and it is these little vegetables, and I'm going to give you this picture so you can see the vegetables. So here it is. It's probably better on this side. Here are all the little vegetables on the plate. It's easier to see the plate. And look at how adorable these are. They all are like Halloween vegetables, like freaky, deaky vegetables. So this is the one I have on one of my fingers, and the broccoli is the other one. But look how cute these are. Now, I do have to say that I did use the shrinking stamper to get it on my nails, because otherwise they were just way too big. So I think they turned out adorable. I think when you get this plate, there's so many things you can do with it. And you know, it's summer, so even though it's got a spooky look, there's veggies. I really want to do this red tomato too. I think that would look cool. Not sure what color I would put underneath it, but I had to add black stripes. I don't know why I like black stripes, but I like black stripes. So that is the nails, my manicure I did. So you're going to get the Black Cat stamping the plate, and I'm going to give away this sticky stamping pad by Maniology, and this was one of the Halloween boxes that they had, and so I'm going to give that away too. So we got one Maniology gift, and we have one Black Cat gift. I figured that having something different than a stamping plate would be kind of different and fun. So, and this is, let me just make sure what the name of this is. I'm going to show you the actual plate here that I've already, it's kind of messy because I just did it today. But there you go. There is the plate. And this is called 210 BKS. And this says, this is, what does it say? This is where I murder vegetables. So that, I think this plate is adorable. Hopefully you'll like it too. And again, just get your entry in no later than June 26th by 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then the winner will just email me at nailstampology@gmail.com, and a winner will be picked. Now, when I pick these winners, sometimes it goes into Monday or Tuesday. It may go into, into the weekend, but I will pick a winner. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.